Introducing the 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe Phev Premium Calligraphy in sleek grey. This powerful 1.6-litre petrol plug-in hybrid electric engine paired with automatic transmission offers a smooth and efficient drive, loaded with luxury features like ambient lighting, satellite navigation, and a 360-view camera for added security. With smart technologies such as collision avoidance braking and lane departure warning, safety is a top priority. Plus, the Chrome Package and Sunroof add style to this estatejeep. This vehicle has been fully serviced and comes with a comprehensive warranty for peace of mind. Don't miss out. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information.